Hi, David here of Lancaster MG, and here we've got a 2021 21 plate MG HS plug-in hybrid, and this is the exclusive model. What I'll be doing in this video is just showing you some of the features it comes with. So as far as wear and tear goes, there's nothing on this one. It's very low mileage and fairly new, as you can tell. So onto the alloy design. You can see it's very simple, it's not diamond cut, so a little bit easier to look after, a bit easier to keep cleaned. All down the side of the vehicle, you can see it's a very tidy car, as the reflection's nice and clear. Also got keyless entry, got camera just under the wing mirror for the 360 camera. Some nice clear headlights there. No issues at all around the front, as you can see. Again, all the alloys nice and tidy, no curving going on. Again, passenger side, you've also got camera under the wing mirror. You've also got your keyless entry. Just while we're on the passenger side as well, you do also get full electric adjustment on that. Just take a peek in the back as well. So you've got a little pocket behind each seat, a couple of climate vents, 2 USBs, nice centre armrest with a bit of storage and 2 cup holders. Very nice design, that one. Moving around from there into the back, has got an electric tailgate, so I'll just press that. Also got reverse cam there. Just while that's still opening as well, you've got 4 parking sensors. Apparently my counting's off today. Also a nice rubber boot liner in there. You've got pulley style load cover, moves out the way nice and easy. Underneath the boot floor as well, you've got a bit of storage for your 3-pin cable plug. And if I can just hold it up out of the way, you've got your towing eye under there as well, and tyre inflation fluid. And you also get this little hook here, so you can actually hook it just over the top up there and keep it out of the way. The seats do actually fold completely flat as well, but with one arm I'm going to leave them alone for now. We'll just use the button, close that up. Moving from there into the front, electric windows all around, electric adjustment on the driver's seat, and got keyless start as well as the keyless entry, so we'll just press that. And then everything comes into life. So while that's all starting up, we'll go through some of the features. You do get navigation. You do also get climate controls in here, as you can tell. You can hear them kicking in straight away, and they do blow through nice and cold. So onto the features inside them. And this eventually does load up. It's a little quicker if you have had the engine started for a second. But it's a very nice way the screen's all set up, so it's nice and simple. As you can see, it doesn't overload you with information. Just minus that for now. Let's show it a little more zoomed out. So it only gives you the information you need. Also got our location there, Northgate LA3 3PA. And then back onto home, so you do get DAB radio, you've got FM as well, multiple ways to connect up your devices, so I'll show you those in a couple of minutes. There's your screen for that. And also got your climate screen, I'll just hit that, so you do have your heated seats in there as well. And back onto home, you've also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so Apple CarPlay just down at the bottom there, Android Auto just moving on. Then you've also got the 360 camera, as I said, so we'll just press that, let that load up. There you go, so you can have it facing the front or facing the back. So currently we're facing forward at the Honda side. If we press that, we've got the front of MG behind us. So again, we'll leave that one, move on to the next features. So in front, now all the screen's up and running. Mileage, only 2,640. Tells you where all the energy is coming from on this screen here. You can see we've got 10 miles on a 34% charge, so you should be getting around 30 miles from a full charge. And we've not got much fuel in, but still 90 miles remaining. So very economic. Last little things to cover then around the wheel. So you do get all your sort of controls for the sort of trip computer in front of you there. Got all your audio controls and your phone controls over on this side. And got automatic lights. You've got wipers with an intermittent setting. And then you've got your cruise control stalk down there. Also got lane keep assist as well. And the very last thing to cover is you do get full panoramic roof. So we do have a little blind there, and it will open all the way up as well. So I'll start that going now. There we are, so the blind's not quite out of the way, but you can see how far the roof goes. There we are. So a really nice vehicle, this one. And if there is anything I've not covered about it, any extra info you'd like, don't hesitate to get in contact and see what we can do to help. Otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, bye.